Okay, we'll show you how to put the Alumidock in the springtime without getting into the water installation. We'll be using the rope off of our optional dock removal lever to install the sections in our unique hinging system, our hinge and pin that we have. As the dock section's lowered into place, you have to make sure that the hinge pins fully engage into the bottom of the hinge bars. We put our hook onto the dock section and we slowly let it in. Yep. Keeping your foot near that pin so the pin stays engaged in the bottom of the hinge bar. You do not want it to pop up.